Cucumber juice is more than just a refreshing drink, it is a powerhouse of nutrients that offers numerous health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and high water content, cucumber juice has gained recognition for its ability to enhance physical health and support overall well-being. Whether you're an advocate for natural remedies or simply looking for a nutritious way to hydrate, cucumber juice deserves a place in your daily routine. Let's explore the remarkable medical benefits of this green elixir. 1. Ultimate hydration source. Cucumber juice is composed of approximately 95% water, making it one of the most hydrating drinks you can consume. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining body temperature, supporting organ function, and ensuring overall physical performance. Cucumber juice not only quenches your thirst, but also replenishes electrolytes, thanks to natural minerals such as potassium and magnesium. 2. Supports heart health. Cucumber juice promotes cardiovascular health significantly. Cucumbers are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting sodium's effects. Regular consumption of cucumber juice can reduce the risk of hypertension, one of the leading causes of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, antioxidants in cucumbers, like flavonoids, help reduce inflammation and improve heart function. 3. Aids in detoxification. Cucumber juice acts as a natural detoxifier, helping the body eliminate toxins and waste products. Its high water content supports kidney function, promoting the removal of harmful substances through urine. The antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can damage cells and lead to chronic illnesses. 4. Improve skin health. Cucumber juice is a go-to remedy for glowing and healthy skin. The juice is rich in vitamin C and silica, promoting collagen production, essential for skin elasticity and repair. Its hydrating properties help keep the skin moisturized, reducing dryness and irritation. Cucumber juice also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can alleviate skin conditions such as acne and puffiness. 5. Supports weight management. Low in calories and high in water content, cucumber juice is an excellent addition to a weight loss regimen. It keeps you feeling full without adding extra calories, making it ideal for those looking to shed pounds. The natural enzymes in cucumber juice also aid digestion and improve metabolism, further supporting weight management efforts. 6. Enhances bone health. Cucumber juice contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin K plays a significant role in bone mineralization and helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis, especially in aging individuals. Conclusion: cucumber juice is a versatile and nutrient-rich beverage that offers various medical benefits, from hydrating the body to promoting heart health and improving skin. This natural elixir is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall well-being. Start enjoying this refreshing drink today and let it nourish your body from the inside out.